Be your own best beautiful.
Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. If that sounds like your cup of tea, please consider subscribing and give the video a thumbs up. We are diving right in, you guys. I'm so incredibly excited. I just received my icon box from IPSY for the month of May. Surprisingly, this month, I did choose my box and choose my items in my icon box. And I don't typically do that. I never ever get spoilers, but you know what? I had to this month because I was hearing all the hype. Before we dive into the box is open and ready for us. I do just want to give you some pertinent information if you are new to IPSY as a subscription service or if you are unaware that IPSY and BOXY merged. Still brokenhearted that they did not call it BOXYCHARM. I'm just saying. You have the option to get a glam bag, and that is 5 deluxe beauty samples personalized for you every month for $13. You also get the BOXYCHARM box, that is 5 full-size products for $28 a month. And then our icon box is our quarterly box, which is $58 quarterly, and that is 8 uber coveted products curated by beauty's biggest icons. And then of course we have the Mega Drop Shop, Beauty Boost, things like that. I could deal without this, and everything literally is haphazardly just kind of tossed in here. I don't like the paper. Give me the padding back, unless they're trying to save cost to give us better products, in which case I'm okay with that, but they could do a little better. But this month's icon box is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. You will get a little newspaper, a little flyer that will give you all the pertinent deets, information, pricing, what you could have gotten in your box, and why the person chose the box. I love the icon box, and I think mine is valued over $600. Not only do I have my icon box, but I also redeemed a ton of points and got a bunch of products and did a bunch of the $3, $3.50 add-ons, so we'll get into those next. First up in my box is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Magic Touch Concealer in the shade 4. I have a brand new one of these, so I'm probably gonna pass this along. Next up, another brand that I really love and have many products, have panned products, is the Glow Recipe, the Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream. So excited about this. They're a fantastic brand, the packaging and everything. I've never found that I become reactive or anything like that. I've never had any sensitivities or anything, and the packaging, y'all, it's 10 out of 10. Let's just be honest, okay? So very thrilled with that. Next up is the Le Prunier, hopefully I'm saying that right, the Plum Screen Broad Spectrum SPF of 31. Very excited to try this out. It's a Generations Sisters Farm Skincare Meets Sun Protection in Plum Screen, a featherweight cream created with Le Prunier cult favorite Plum Beauty Oil. I'm so excited about this, and I kind of like that these kind of go together, like guava, fruity, plummy. I don't know if that was the intention, but I really like the packaging of this as well, so I'm super excited to test this out. I have a few sunscreens open, so I'm not going to open this just yet, but I will update you guys later on down the road. If you've tried it though, let us know. Next up, I have the Beauty Stat Universal Pro Bio Moisture Boost Cream for all skin types. It has hyaluronic acid, ceramides, ultimate hydration. Super excited about this as well, and of course everything is going to be a full size. Next up, very excited to try this, hope it's my shade, is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Bronzer. I did get the shade Amber, so I'm hoping it works out for me. I'm going to very carefully open this, because if it's not going to work, then I'm not even going to mess with it. And I feel like it is going to, you guys. Oh yes, I'm excited about this too. But I try to not be wasteful, so if I know I'm not going to use something, I'm just not going to open it or mess with it. Next up, we have a skincare tool, which I'm very inquisitive about. I'm definitely going to do some research and stuff. But basically, you put your skincare on and you kind of put it in or blend it in with this particular product right here. And again, my value of my box is like $500, I think. So I'm really excited about that. Next up is also an Anastasia Beverly Hills product. This is the Brow Definer Triangular Brow Pencil in dark brown. I'm not always a fan of the more triangular shaped brow pencils, but I'm gonna give it a try. I'm gonna give it a shot. And then next up, I had to pick this, and luckily, you guys know I don't get spoilers. I never pick my boxes. I don't do add-ons and stuff like that typically, but I'm glad that I did because I got a full-size commodity fragrance, y'all. It's Commodity Milk. It says Scent Space Expressive for me and the many around me. And I've never tried a fragrance from Commodity, but they have, let me look over here, Scent Space. They have Personal, Expressive, and Bold. So Personal it's going to be a very light, you know, kind of soft fragrance that you're the only one that really smells it. It's more of a soft scent for yourself. The Expressive is what this one is, that it smells good, you can smell it, but the few people kind of hanging around you also smell it. And then they also have Bold, which is a heightened scent, a little bit more maybe strong and bold that others around you are going to smell immediately. I want to open this and smell it. I'm very, very inquisitive. I love fragrance. Do I need any more fragrances? No. But I use different ones for different moods, different times, different seasons, so on and so forth. So I want to check it out really quickly. And I still do not have, I still don't have full smell-o-vision back after having COVID, but I'm going to give it a shot. And it says the art of perfumery should be intuitive. At Commodity, we are demystifying fragrance in order to make the exceptional accessible. We like to keep things simple. No smoke, no mirrors, just a passion for the ethical, elemental, and atypical. And I'm trying to see what the notes are in this, and I don't see it. So maybe it's on the inside. Hold on one moment. That is a big old box for that little tiny perfume, y'all. I'm still not seeing any information. Maybe we'll get some on the inside. So I do want to check it out. The bottle is really beautiful, though. It does look... The bottle is very beautiful, though. It feels very heavy and very luxe. I was trying to see if it was a magnetic one, but I do not think that it is. All right. Ooh. From what I can smell, it's very soft. I'm getting maybe a little bit of like a woodsy note to it, but it also is a little bit warm. Like I would use this probably year round. Oh, that smells nice, you guys. Ooh, okay. So we have our perfume, our skincare tool. We have a brow pencil. We have a cream bronzer. Really excited about this. We have our Beauty Stat Moisture Boost Cream. We have our Le Prunier Plum Screen Sunscreen. We have our Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream. And our Anastasia Beverly Hills Concealer. I'm thrilled. 5 out of 5 yellow hearts. I love the blend. I didn't get a palette or anything like that. I opted not to get a palette. I had both the palettes I think that they were offering. I love the blend of some skincare, a little bit of makeup, a fragrance. I'm thrilled. I'm absolutely freaking thrilled, you guys. Now I will quickly run down all of my kind of add-ons and stuff, and then I'll dive into our pricing. So some of this was, I turned in points. I had like 14,000 points that came over from BOXYCHARM, so they put them all together on my IPSY account. And I'm not gonna lie, I don't really remember what was my claimed prizes and which ones I paid the $3 for. So I may get this wrong. I may mix up the little add-ons and then the ones I redeem points for, so I'm really sorry if I do that. But first up, I have the Refreshments Pearly Body Wash in Ginger Splash. I have the Tresluce Beauty Destinos Stackable Palette. I got this really cute Refreshments like skincare headband. I also got a set of scrunchies. I thought these were so freaking cute, you guys. And I think that might have been all. Maybe the Tresluce lashes also came with my like redeeming points. And then I also added another headband. Did I need another skincare headband? No, I didn't. But did I get it? Yes, I did. I also got the Memoir by the Sea fragrance, mini fragrance. I picked up 2 of these from the Balm. They were add-ons for like $3 or $3.50. They are the Antidote Tinted Moisturizers. And I feel like I was kind of in between shades, and we're also heading into summertime. So I got shade 18 and 26. So that is what those look like. And I would definitely test these out for you guys if you guys want to see them in action. I re-upped because I've already gone through a couple of the minis, and I also have a full size of the Kopari Ultra Restore Body Butter with hyaluronic acid. This is fantastic and smells so damn good, you guys. I got a little mini of the Fab Eye Duty Niacinamide Brightening Eye Cream. I got this little mini of the Beauty Crop BFF Brow Friends Forever, and it's a clear mascara. I actually got this to use for my flyaways. Hopefully it helps. And then I also picked up a set of tweezers. These are the YC Collection, just a slanted tweezer, I feel like for $3. I couldn't go wrong with it. I also got a Glow Recipe Strawberry Smooth BHA and AHA Salicylic Serum, little mini. And then last for my little add-ons, I also got this Beauty Creations Take Me Back little lip oil. That is a fantastic box. I'm happy that I got to redeem my stuff. I got a lot of stuff that I can put in giveaways or mystery boxes and stuff like that. I picked up a couple little minis that I thought were definitely worth the price. And you can pick up to 10, I think. I think up to 10 when you do your little add-ons. But I'm thrilled. I'm excited as heck. I'm excited to get my PR box as well. I'm hoping to get some different items in there that I got in my box. Hopefully I don't get like repeats, but you guys know if I get PR that I'm not going to use, I always pay it forward. Let's dive into our little pamphlet over here and we will look up some stuff. They're talking about brows and the beauty and evolution of eyebrows. And then of course, like I said, it will show you like different variations, products that you could have gotten. And then it also gives pricing and stuff like that. I'll go over a few things. Let's see. The Anastasia Beverly Hills cream bronzer is $35. Let's see, the Le Prunier is $78. My word, that is a lot. The Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream is $38. You could have gotten a Dermalect Lip Volumizer, a Pat McGrath Labs lipstick. Our Beauty Stat Universal Pro Bio Moisture Boost Cream was $50. And then again, talking about the ADH face. Why did they pick the particular products that they did? Here are some more products that you could have gotten. I already have an I already had the Modern Renaissance palette and stuff like that. I felt like it's very close to the Soft Glam, so I didn't opt for those, but you could have gotten those as well. The brow definer was $26. The Commodity Fragrance Milk Expressive was $70. I still don't see the notes anywhere, so while I'm talking about the perfume, you would have already seen them. I'll pop them up here for you guys. What else do we have? The Redo It Boost, the little skincare tool, is $200, you guys. That's why my value of my box is probably crazy as heck. We could have gotten some Clarks products, some JLo products. I feel like this was, like, you guys, this is a banger. I really, really feel like we got some phenomenal choices this month. I feel like there are a lot of luxe choices. There are a lot of brands that we really know and love, so I'm thrilled. I'm absolutely thrilled. And then there's Take the Icon Quiz. So that is my box. Like I said, I'm super thrilled. I'm so excited, and I like that, you know, if you do all your add-ons and dew points and stuff like that, that it comes just right there in your box. But yeah, I'm thrilled. Let me know what you guys think. Are we box twins? Have you gotten your box yet? What are you hoping to get in your box? I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.